Hey there and welcome! If you're looking to add a fully functional events calendar to your Wix website, you're in the right place. Whether you run a business, a community group, or a club, having a clear calendar of events right on your site will keep your visitors engaged and informed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up and customize an events calendar in Wix so your visitors never miss an important date. Alright, let's dive right in. Start by heading over to the Wix App Market. This is where Wix keeps all sorts of powerful add-ons that can give your website extra features. Just click on the App Market icon from your editor dashboard. It usually looks like a little shopping bag on the left side. Now, use the search bar at the top and type in Calendar. You'll see a list of different calendar apps pop up. Depending on your needs, maybe you want to show recurring events, accept RSVPs, or sync with Google Calendar. You can pick whichever app suits you best. Some popular options will show up right away. But take a moment to read the descriptions or previews. They'll help you choose the calendar that fits your style and needs. Once you've settled on an app, simply click Add to Site. Wix does the heavy lifting for you here. You'll notice the calendar widget is instantly placed on your web page. This is a great starting point. Now, before you start populating it with events, let's set it up to match your website's look and feel. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll customize and localize how the calendar looks and works. Under Settings, you'll usually find sections like Layouts, Design, and Text. In Layouts, you can decide how your calendar displays: monthly view, agenda style, or maybe an upcoming events list. Think about your audience. If you're running a yoga studio, maybe a monthly grid helps clients plan ahead. For a local band, a list of upcoming gigs might be perfect. Next, jump into Design. Here's your chance to make the calendar visually blend with your website. You can adjust colors, borders, fonts, subtle tweaks that make a big difference in how professional your site looks. Don't rush this part. Scroll through the options and preview how each change affects the calendar's style. If you ever feel stuck or overwhelmed, remember, you can always reset to default or undo recent changes. As for text customization, you might want to adjust labels or add translations if your audience speaks different languages. For example, change the word events to workshops, or localize the calendar for your city. It's the little details that make visitors feel welcome. Once all the settings look good, it's time for the fun part, adding an event. Go back to the app's main dashboard. You'll usually see an Add Event button or a plus sign. Click it, and a form will pop up. Don't worry if it looks like a lot. Just go step by step. Enter the general info. The event title, like Spring Sale or Monthly Meeting, location, either a physical address or online link, category, and venue details. These help with sorting and searching later. If there's an organizer, you can add their name too. This is useful for visitors to know who's running what. Once you've filled out the event details, click Next, and then Save. You should see your new event appear in the calendar almost instantly. If you don't, refresh your page or check that all the info was entered correctly. Adding more events is just as simple. Repeat the steps and you'll have a full calendar in no time. And that's it. You've now set up and customized an events calendar on your Wix website. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need troubleshooting on a specific calendar app. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more practical Wix tutorials. I've got plenty more tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching and good luck with your events.